South Sudan's President Salva Kiir Mayardit has made a series of major government changes, appointing a new deputy minister of defense and a new commander for the Presidential Guard unit. The announcements were made Monday night on South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation. In a presidential decree, General James Koang Chuol, a senior member of the ruling SPLM party, was appointed as the Deputy Minister of Defense. Koang's appointment comes just a week after his removal as governor of Upper Nile State. The deputy minister post had remained vacant since March 2023, following the dismissal of General Chuol Jan Balok, who was later promoted to defense minister. The position was originally expected to go to the SPLMIO, led by First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Under the terms of the 2018 peace agreement, that expectation followed President Kiir's decision last year to take direct control of the defense ministry and remove Angelina Teny, Machar's wife, from her ministerial post. In a separate decree, President Kiir promoted Brigadier General Valentino Baak Makuei to the rank of Major General and appointed him commander of the Presidential Guard unit, also known as the Tiger Division. He replaces General Philip Nyong, who had been in the position since. Major General Baak previously served as President Kiir's aide-de-camp. The Tiger Division, based in Juba, is tasked with protecting the president and is one of the most powerful formations within the South Sudan People's Defense Forces. It was expanded into a full division following the outbreak of the 2013 civil war. President Kiir also dismissed Dung Olor Kool, the Minister for East African Community Affairs, replacing him by Gideon Mabor Dung, a veteran member of the former detainees group, had served in the unity government since its formation. James Boboya, a Juba-based political analyst, told Radio Tamazuj that the latest decrees are a part of Kiir's broader plan to strengthen a one-party rule under the guise of the 2018 peace deal. The peace agreement is being used as a facade for Kiir's continued dominance and consolidation of power, Boboya said. Boboya described General Koang's appointment as largely symbolic, arguing that the defense ministry now operates under direct presidential control rather than serving as a peace implementation body. On the changes within the Tiger Division, Boboya said frequent rotations prevent any commander from building enough influence to challenge the president's authority by rotating commanders often. Kiir weakens the army's cohesion, ensuring no one can challenge his rule. Boboya also praised by Gideon Mabor's competence, but questioned his autonomy, warning that the Ministry for East African Community Affairs risks becoming, quote, another avenue for personal gain rather than national benefit. As these reshuffles take effect, observers say all eyes will be on how they influence South Sudan's fragile political balance and the ongoing peace implementation process. First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 co-accused in the ongoing special court trial. During Monday's session, prosecutor Dr. Sabre Wani Ladu presented several key documents, including autopsy and death certificates for the late Major General James Machar Dak and 256 soldiers killed in the March 2025 Nasir incident. According to the prosecution, these documents were officially issued and certified by the Ministry of Health and confirmed the soldiers' deaths following the deadly attack. The prosecution also submitted a detailed military administrative report containing 14 attachments. The report includes eyewitness accounts, an investigation committee's findings, and intelligence linking militia activity to the March assault. A digital forensic report prepared in South Africa was also introduced, analyzing laptops and mobile phones seized from the accused. Prosecutors said the chain of custody was maintained through diplomatic channels, and the report was authenticated by South African authorities. However, Judge James Alalat Dung ruled that the court will only mark the documents after the videos and audios are played and verified in court. Machar's defense lawyer, Honest Tombe Augustino, objected to the evidence, arguing that diplomatic procedures between South Sudan and South Africa were not properly followed. He said the South African embassy in Juba had not officially acknowledged the forensic correspondence. The court adjourned to Wednesday, October 8th, when forensic experts are expected to testify. The 8 accused face multiple charges, including treason, crimes against humanity, terrorism, and destruction of property linked to the Nasir attacks that left General David Mayardit and dozens of soldiers dead. For more updates on this high-profile case and other national stories, stay tuned to Naath Global News, reporting from Juba.